It is bucketing rain outside here on the Plaza in Sydney today. Here's JT in the warmth of the pub.
Not dampening anyone's spirits. It's St Patrick's Day. Happy St Patrick's Day. We just met Chris Doherty, who's from a family of 14 kids. You've got a family, your husband's with a family of 15 kids, Carly. Mel?
12.
Has this got a part of the reason why Irish families are so large?
Yes, no television.
I've got just the right person for you. Father Jack, Father Ted, kiss him. He's a McNully. Oh!
No on the lips.
Oh! Looking fantastic, Father Jack. Getting in some trouble today.
I'm going to be arrested.
Oh, no. I think you've just been arrested for indecency on television. Let me just get over here to Ted. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you. How
Happy
are
St
you?
Patrick's Day.
La Féile Pádraig Faoi Honagus Faoi Hossam Díobh Galéir.
And right back at you. These guys are going to be around Sydney today promoting the Irish Fulham Festival happening in May. Put it up. Oh, it's upside down. That's the luck of the Irish. You know, the Fulham Festival people in movies, they're always so good at promoting themselves. Get your shirt in. Come on, the Irish Fulham Festival. One last question, Father. Where's the pot of gold that the leprechaun's hidden today?
I can't tell you,
Come
because
on.
I've got it myself.
Happy St Patrick's Day, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Yes, indeed.
That looks so
it's a great
fun.
day. Good fun.
Enjoy.
In moderation.